What is up, guys? Finger here, and we are back with another unboxing. And I would say this is the most impulsive buy that I've ever done in the recent times. I mean, I always do impulsive buys, but anyway, we got this Viture Pro XR. This is actually not the thing itself, but it's in here. But I also got it with the Viture Pro mobile dock, which the glasses connects with. And I also got this Viture Cross 8-bit DO switch to controller with it. It's the ultimate 2C Bluetooth controller, but I'm pretty much going to use it for my Switch too. So we got all these 3 boxes here. I'm going to start with the glasses itself, because I've been wanting to get another screen for my Switch too, and I think this is the best option for me, considering I don't have that much space, and also want to try that. So we got this opening sleeve box here, and we have the Viture Pro XR glasses itself. I believe this product has been out for like a year now, and I saw it on Amazon Prime deal, which was like $300 off. It's about $4.99 Australian dollars. I think it's about 300 US dollars. But yeah, and then I got curious. I saw there's like a trend of these glasses display for a while now, and the first one I saw was the Legion glasses. Anyway, got some awards there, and yeah, just some, I don't know, some fine print. Hopefully it just slides in, and this is the thing that I'm kind of excited about, because I think this is quite it just opens the presentation that they have with the box is quite amazing. I mean, it just opens like that, and then you got like a pretty nice, I'm not sure if I can, wonder if I can, yeah, I was gonna zoom out, but that's pretty much it. It says you can connect it directly to your phone. There's a neck band, which I didn't get. That's just a mini console, wherein a mini TV wherein you can bring with you. But I don't need it. It's also designed for ROG Ally Switch with the mobile dock, and I'll get to that more later, and laptop and computer and a Steam Deck, and then some options with the glasses. I'm not gonna go a lot into the glasses in this video. This is all just purely like a unboxing video, but I think I'll do like a more in-depth on how it works after this video. Got a cloth, some quick guide, and yeah, some guides in there. So the thing that got my curiosity about this product is that people are hyping it up. Like, it's always like something odd because it feels like they've just been sponsoring content creators left and right. And, you know, I was like, gotta see it for myself, try it out. If it doesn't work, then we'll just return it. Easy return. So on the box, by the way, that's box is empty. Got a accessory mini box here. So anti-clip hair cover, some nose pads, some different nose pads, I guess. I think that's a good thing to consider, especially if it's a glasses that you're selling. It comes in this pretty small pouch. So Viture, USB-C to magnetic cable connector. Yeah, I was trying to get this thing off. Starting with the, so here's the proprietary cable, and here is the glasses itself. It's actually, it's not too heavy. I was expecting it to be like bigger, but let me give it a try. Okay, right now I could say that it fits me pretty well. And it says just peel these. I'm not sure how to turn this on or off, but yeah. So you're supposed to see there's like a display inside the glasses, and then some adjustments. I have no idea how to turn that on, how to begin with that, but I'm also using my phone to record, so. Alright, compatible with any 120 Hertz, just rotary knobs, and oh, there's like a button here, here we go. There's a volume and a start button right there. Not sure if I turn it on or off. Should have prepared much better for this. But yeah, I'm guessing it needs to be connected to something. But that's the glasses itself. Let's try opening up other parts. I like how this pouch is like, just comes in. And there you go. Pretty sure it just went like that, yeah. That's the glasses itself. Let's try and open the mobile dock, which is, so the glasses uses USB-C to connect, but with these you can connect it to anything with an HDMI. And that's exactly why you need it for Switch 2, because Switch 2, I'm guessing there's like some things, and for any Switch 2 owners out there, it's kind of hard to get a third-party dock, because Nintendo, I saw a video like Nintendo's kind of blocking some random USB-Cs. Anyway, I think this acts as a power bank as well. Not sure, maybe no charge, HDMI. I think that's specifically like a USB-C, but I don't know, I just switched two colors in there. Put your Switch 2 in there, then HDMI out with the got a small USB-C. So you plug in your switch 2, and then the glass is out here. Quick start guide. I have no idea how to start this up. So yeah, it just goes like that. Oh, okay, so it's just the battery shows. I'm wondering if I have to, what do I have to do to like turn it on and stuff? I don't know. I'll get through it once finished with the unboxing, but yeah, we'll continue moving on. That's dock itself, and finally we got the 8-bit controller. So this is basically the ultimate 2C Bluetooth controller, but just with the collaboration with Viture. I have the old Ultimate 8-bit right now, which are really good. I'm using it for PC, but yeah, this one is pretty much straightforward. It's the controller itself, and there we go. It's got some films in it. This is a new thing. Protect the joysticks. It feels like an... I mean, I used to have like the Pro controller, and it feels quite similar, I would say. And these are pretty good. And the design is... aesthetic is pretty nice. And that's it. We got these three. Let's show the glasses itself. And yeah, I don't know, I think I need like a input for this to work. Otherwise, I mean, it's not going to show anything if it is basically like a monitor. So yeah, I'll leave the video here for now, and please comment down below if you have this Viture glasses, you tried other display glasses before, and I'll subscribe to see like what are my thoughts about this display glasses, and see you guys on the next one. Hey guys, just a quick update, still in the same video. I got my Switch 2 here, and this one just went running straight out of bed, and I gave it like tried it for a few minutes. But basically your Switch 2, you're gonna connect it to the dock, and then the glasses goes to your dock. Otherwise, glasses straight to the Switch 2 won't work, but glasses straight to like Steam Deck and phone and other display computer, it should work straight out. And here's what it looks like. I also have to use this because these won't work while in the Switch 2, but let me try to wake this up. And the display is right there. You guys can see that. There we go, right there. It's kind of hard to show it to the camera, but yeah, it's got like a huge screen right in front of you. So yeah.